Imagine getting an instant notification on your phone the moment someone enters your home or office. This is not science fiction, this is IoT security in action. Imagine getting a live alert on your phone the moment someone enters your room. That's exactly what we've built, an IoT-based motion detection system using a PIR sensor, NodeMCU, and the Blynk app. Here's how it works. When motion is detected, you instantly receive a real-time notification on your phone, simple and effective. Let's build it. First, open the Blynk IoT app, create a new project, select ESP8266, and set Wi-Fi as the connection type. You'll get an auth token via email, keep that for later. Add a notification widget to your Blynk canvas, and the app setup is done. Now for the hardware. You need a NodeMCU, PIR sensor, breadboard, and jumper wires. Connect VCC to 3.3-volt, GND to GND, and out to D2 on the NodeMCU. Make sure the sensor is positioned to detect motion. Now, let's upload the code using Arduino IDE. Here's the core part. Upload it, and you're done. Now every time the PIR detects movement, Blynk sends a push notification directly to your phone. And that's your very own smart IoT security system, compact, affordable, and powerful. Like, share, and subscribe for more cool tech builds. All links and code are in the description. See you in the next project.